Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, looking at SPY on the daily and SPX on the weekly because SPY has been adjusted for dividends and such that the chart shows dust at the all-time highs, but clearly that's not the case. So we're looking at SPY on the daily time frame. We have a bearish reversal, inverted hammer. We saw slow and steady, very low bullish volume all day, and then we started seeing some bearish spikes in volume on the 5-minute chart. Once we lost the 20-period moving average on the 5-minute, we knew to start looking to the downside, and that followed through with lots of weakness into the end of the day. We closed 18 cents above the low of the day. 1150 was the low. We bounced off, or make that to 1150. We bounced off to 1154. So those are key supports heading into tomorrow, and that can only be seen if you're looking at shorter time frames. So a red day tomorrow will confirm the bearish reversal, and will have us looking for a test of the 10-day moving average, which will be around 210.30 with the open tomorrow. SPX, we broke the high from back in November, 2116.48. Again, we did not close above that level, but we did break it. So that was a higher high, and clearly we are now just looking at the all-time high, 2134.72 on the S&P 500. Need to see a close on the weekly time frame above 2116.48 to really give the bulls that strength, and we're seeing a rejection from that level currently. So depending on how the rest of the week goes, which is leaning to look a little bit bearish, the question will be how bearish will it be, and we'll use volume to give some indication of that. But if we cannot close above 2116.48, it is still going to be a resistance we keep an eye on because that was the lower high, and it's the close of the candlesticks that is important. So that's what we're looking at for SPY, a bearish day tomorrow confirming this candlestick, and we'll see what kind of weakness and volume we get. We had the lowest volume day of the year, actually right around the same, just barely lower, but what that does indicate is very weak volume, and if we were to see an increase in volume on a red day tomorrow, we'll know that we're going to likely see a pretty sufficient pullback. So we'll check back in as always. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.